Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup It Time with Julia. In today's video guys, as you can tell by the title, this is what I put together. I just use a home bargain and B&M, everything I'll be collecting whenever I go to shopping. If I go to makeup aisle, if I find anything, I'll put it in my basket. So I'll be collecting this makeup now for a few months. I thought today, you know what, let's just do some challenges and see what we can get out of home bargain and B&M makeup. Just keep watching and see how I pull this whole look together. While you are there, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the other side, guys. Thank you. As you can see, I have made a mini clip of all this, which I'm going to insert. Guys, all these are what I have been collecting from between home bargain and B&M. Basically, it's B&M and home bargain makeup. Some of them I have opened, play with them, and it's also cruelty free. This is creamy contour. See how this seal on it. I have touched it to see if I'll find my. But today I don't have foundation, I don't have concealer, so I am going to use these two. This another one. This one is W7, and I have also kind of swatch it in a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these two combined together. Just see if I can find any shade that will match my skin. By the way, I hope you're doing well. Try this one on my skin and see if it match my skin, because this one look promising. This one is gray. Hey, Miss Gray. Okay, I'll try the next one, which is this very one here. Oh, this one is also gray. They have like gray undertone. Why? Wow. Okay, I'll try this one. It's gonna be hard for Julia to find her shade today. Oh, this one is not too bad, but it's slightly dark. Okay, let's go to Max&more. For Max&more, this is what I have. I'll try this one. Oh, it's so creamy, it's oily. Jeez, I hope this is not. Oh, this one is also gray as well. Oh crap, sorry for my French. I got my brush here, so let's just mash it together. I just look like a clown or something. Okay, as for complexion, this is a fail. What I'm gonna do is I have this concealer here, Conceal Define Infinity from Revolution. This is the 16 hours wear. This is like a rescue now. Remember, I have used this shade as a foundation, so there is nothing new. Okay, let's mash it up again. A bit of this shade. I hope the damn camera is speaking. I'm trying this very one here, which is I'll add a bit of this gray. like I usually do, up, down. I'm just gonna set under my eye with this, or loose powder, whatever powder. Reverse contour. Okay, this loose powder from W7, I can keep this, and the shade is Honey. It's Shell Loose Powder Honey from W7. Where do the whole face now. I'm gonna use this to do the whole face because it's not good. I have to powder my neck as well because I'm not gonna go out as if I'm going out. You're on lockdown, Julia. Shut up. I'll try this one. I will just go with this darker shade. Jesus Christ. I want warmness, not this type of warmness. Yeah, I'll try this other one. I'll try the next door, which is this shade. I want warmness, not gray. Now I'm totally gray. Which is, I hope, camera, because it's a nightmare when you realize the camera is not picking. And for highlighter, this very, I got Olivia hair here. I got this other one here. It's from Homebargains, and it will remind, I think Huda Beauty and Revolution, they have something similar. I will go with similar shade, which is this shade here. Oh, this is good. There's another blush here. I just want to use everything I've got from all this. Ooh, I'll try this. This is a W7. I'm done with complexion. I don't know how I'm looking on camera, but with complexion, I think I'm done. Setting spray. It only cost £1 and I rave about it and I like it. Personally, I like this setting spray. So I will spray Homebargains and Poundland. Now that the whole complexion is done now, so let's move on to eye. Here is the palette. I have swatched. Okay, you can bend this over, and it comes with this little brush. Come with this brush. No, I'm gonna have to use this now for eyeshadow base. Oh, I haven't thought of that. Okay, I will use this shade for like eyeshadow base. I'll just pop this all over. Dab, 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 dab. Well, you have to make it work. I'll go in first with this shade. I hope the damn thing is speaking. I'll dab it here. But this is good. I like this. Got that. Do the other eye. I'm short. To blend it out, I'm gonna use this shade. And this shade as well is not playing. Oh my days. You see that on my skin too. Are you kidding me? I'm shocked. I didn't want to do smoking, but now that I'm here, I might as well. I'll use this shade here. Even this one. Even this shade. Maybe I'll apply this on my lid. You know what? You know what, guys? It's annoying me. I will just apply here as well. Because otherwise, it's gonna mess me about. My hooded eye cannot leave me alone. Okay, let's apply this. I'll go in with this shade here. Here, in between. This one is also a good shade. So the smoky one I used earlier on, which is this shade, this very one, in between. So the shade I will go in with, obviously, is gonna be this green one. I'm gonna use this shade. The same green shade I started with earlier on, that's what I'm using on my bottom lash. I'll use this one first to diffuse. And just apply it down here. Okay, I'll try this one as well. For my inner corner, I'll shade here. I'll put this on my inner corner. Oh. Check that out. I feel like applying a bit here. I got this as well. This rímel is B&M. This is part of this whole thing. This is another W7 stuff, mascara stuff. Okay, this is max&more lip kits. So you have, okay, deep nude. That's what. This is really good, so creamy. It's glitter stuff. It's calling me. Oh. I just realized kind of, you know, I like it. I'm gonna do my first lashes off camera. Then when I come back, I will check with you. What do I think of everything I use? The powder one is not too bad. I can use this as my blush. This is not too bad, even though it's not my, skin tone. Very one here, I don't see myself using this, not for anything at all, which is this other one. I don't see myself using this, but I don't think it's something that I would really keep or even recommend for, women of color or black women in general. I would not recommend this. W7, I think it's good. It's for the price. Whole B&M is good. It's just like every other setting powder. A bit of like coverage to it. It's a bit of coverage. This one is not too bad. Okay, it still have that gray undertone, but compared to that one, this is not bad for contouring. This mascara, yes, with the price, is good. Eyeliner, rímel is UK brand, so it's good eyeliner. This eyeshadow palette, it blew me away. This is lovely. If you haven't got this and it's cheap, you can find it in Home Bargain, you can find it, yeah, B&M. Guys, look at this. The actual name, the rocks, that's the actual name. Let me show you. So just in case you want to get something similar, don't make mistake. Okay, this is a winner, guys. I will recommend this for anyone, any skin tone. I will recommend that. Another winner, this highlighter from Home Bargain. I like this highlighter. This came together, Max&more. This is really good. I apply this. You know the way I am with my lippy. It's not like I'm a lippy girl. Then I put this W7 glitter liquid lip color. I apply this. It's matte. I can barely move my lip. As you can see, I cannot believe Home Bargain will give me, Home Bargain and B&M will give me this look. Look at me. Look like $1 million girl. This whole video is all about how you can do your makeup with very low budget. You don't have to break your bank. You just see everything I have used is something that you can just find Home Bargain next to you. You pick one, you pick two. Before you know it, you have the whole thing. I will see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.